Welcome to Nimisha's's Creation. In today's video, we are going to make a desk organizer simple and easy like that. Materials required are KitKat or any other cardboard box like this one, designer paper of your choice, color papers, paper cutter, glue or fevistick, a cutting mattress, and some designing items for decoration. And so let's begin. First of all, we will cut this excess part out of this box because it is not of our need. So let's cut. And I'm cutting and it's done. Now rub the part using sandpaper for making it smooth. Now we will cover it with designer paper we have selected before and cut the paper as per the dimensions of the box and cover it using fevistick or glue which is suitable for you, and here it's done. Don't forget to cut the excess parts of the paper which is not so good or looking good. So cut them out and cut them out. After cutting, cover other sides of the box too using paper like this, and then covering and it's done. See? Now cover it with color paper from inside. After cutting that paper, the paper as per the required dimension required from all the sides. Here it's done. लगाना done. For giving some designs, कुछ डिजाइन देनी पड़ेगी ना, ऐसे सूखा सूखा अच्छा थोड़ी लगता है. For giving some designs, I'm covering its edges from this cloth double-sided tape or any tape type of tape you can take as per your requirement or your wish. To all the four sides, follow the steps shown in the video. So it's done like this. First stage पे और first stage and बाकी 4 edge पे बाकी edges पे भी करेंगे हम ऐसी. And I cover all the edges through designer tapes and sparkle tapes like this. Let's decorate using this lace and foam flowers like this, and glue them through hot glue because there is no other best way to glue them permanently, and it's done.
Please no!
So it's the box we prepared, and it's the box we started with. See the difference. Using some basic things, we prepared this. You can also make partition in the box as per your requirement using any other cardboard or the part we cut it before. After covering it with color paper and sticking it inside the box with hot glue, I am going to use it for these vestige products for daily purpose. They fit nicely and have enough space. The box is quite perfect for them. You can use bows like this for a decoration purpose too. See the bow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and comment below what you want next. Share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.